Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share with you two card. Actually is spring card. It can be Easter, but also can be some card you can send like birthday. So it's very easy, and I have many of them, and I want to show you how I make it. So for beginning I need strip of heavier paper, cardstock, and it's measured 30 by 30 by 10 centimeters. So probably I write, and I write where? I write here 10 by 30 centimeter. Other card, which will be basic, it's that card has 15 by 10 centimeters, and the blue one is just a few millimeters smaller, so let's say it's 7 by 12. What I know. Sorry about. It's 9.7, and it is 14. Oh, that gum is 14 by, it's 15.7. Let's say centimeters. Okay, it's coming like that. So then I will need two ovals. One is that one, and it is, I did on machine, and it's measure 10 by 12 by 13, and other one is 8.5 by 11.5. So I already did on the big shot. Then I will need the girl, and I I have that 15 years ago, maybe more. I have a postcard from America, and I copy and I fussy cut, and I made that beautiful card. Then I will need that two butterflies. I fussy cut them, and I will need also that flowers. I fussy cut them. I need the mounting double tape, scissors, and also scoreboard. So on scoreboard I score that 30 centimeters on 15, and because that scoreboard then doesn't have exactly 15, so I move paper on centimeters here and make 15, 16, and then I take it and I do 7, maybe 8, doesn't matter. Okay, so now we have prepared everything. Let's go to work. So now I take that 15 by 10 and other one, that 9.7, 14.7, and I will glue that exactly like that. So just a little bit seam to have little edge. I don't know if it's, I have to cut it. Okay. I don't like I don't like double tape. I have to cut. I like if I can tear, but for now it's okay. All right, just like that. Okay, I use the bone and I take that cover of double tape out. Something float, some dirt. Okay. So, and now I will try to be good. Ta-da! Not very well. So I turn this like that. Now I will glue that oval, and again I use that tape. On the card I show you later, because I made already maybe 20 of them, different kind with different papers. And I use also glue and some tiny paper make curly, so I don't like it, so I use double tape right now. Fine. Yes. 3. Okay, okie dokie. Okay, that small flowers I love to have on the up. And now we need that fussy cat girl. So cute. Okay, and I use double tape. I want to make her a little bit 3D. So that. I take cover up, off, and now I want double. It's so easy, and make me pleasure, because I already around 10 cards give to my friends and somebody. I love it. I don't want to see that white, so I put that back a little bit more. Okay. So, and now I put that girl needed flowers. That sheep is so cute. Look at to the girl. Okay, so that's all. And now I fussy cut that flowers. I don't remember from which paper it is. And now I cut the double tape and fold it half. Take off cover. put it on bottom of that flowers. Okay, and now I just glue that here. With butterfly, I just take bone and make a little bit wings curly. Then I fold it and glue it here. So we already have the basic of cards, and now I take that fold, put tape on here, and here, and on bottom. Fine. Okie dokie. Take off top of this. And now take the card and we'll try, maybe better when I open like that, and put card exactly from bottom straight to top. So here and here. Okay, so we have that, and now we will work inside. For inside I have that oval again. I put tape and 3. Okay. So I have to tell, it's very, very simple, very easy card. You can make many of them if you prepare pictures and flowers. And now I put double tape here because, maybe like that, because that will be stop for that card. Okay, so how I do it, I just, because it's not too thick, so I glue two together. Watch. Okay. So now I put that here. and that I can put here, and when you open the card it will be stop for the card. And what I did more, I take it ink, okay, I ink it and make some line for writing. And I have more butterfly. I think it will be nice to put it in. I left long time open. It's get dry, but it's okay. So to not dry, close this. Fine. Okay. So we have second. I'm dirty film and I don't want dirt card. Okay. So card is regular for envelope. So that is one card. It's that. And I show you few more. So if you have any pictures, look at that. Here. I just fussy cut from some last time card, and I have to make lines inside. Maybe. Oops. No? No? Okay. It's already dry. Okay. So the card look like that. Beautiful. I think I love it. One. Here is some with some rabbit. It's look like that. Then what I thought, I don't know how it called, that acetate paper or something, and I glue it. I don't want too much see paper inside and get curly. It's not bad, it's not something wrong, but it's curly. So look at that, teeny weeny dogs. Beautiful. Then I have that. Inside it's like that. Then I have that. And that was stickers. Then I have that. And that is the last one. I just cut card from last year and just make two present like that. So hope I inspire you. It's still time. It's Saturday, so maybe you can get feeling mood to make some beautiful cards. Okay, thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.